Good morning. It is a new day today, and I haven't put out the vlog yet. I edited yesterday's vlog on my iPad, which is actually really interesting. It's a completely different way of editing than Premiere Pro, which is what I normally edit on, but I just felt like laying in bed and editing. So it's super rudimentary, but it was cool to mess around with. Today, I'm clearly just having a coffee. I'm about to go meet Kevin for another coffee. We're gonna make a plan as to what to do today. I think we're gonna go to a place called Whitsands. It's really stunning, and we did the product shoot for Reading Kites last year there, so we're gonna get some other shots there. I've got my camera gear all ready, pretty much, in those boxes. It's looking really windy, so let's go meet him at the coffee shop. Let's go. Don't wanna drive into that. Great conversations, guys. Well, that was a good little coffee. So the plan is Whitsands, as I thought. Got myself a chicken sandwich and some water. Always got to stay hydrated and stay prepared. We have everything. I'm gonna eat this sandwich here because Kev hates it whenever I go in his car and eat smelly food. So I'm all good. Okay, so we're on our way. Got my S9. I actually am setting it to the vivid profile because I don't like to do any color grading. We turned up to Whitsands, beautiful beach, and despite the fact that it sounds quite windy, there's not very much wind. There's no white caps on the ocean. Bit of a letdown really, because it was actually windy in Table View when we left. I'm assuming that we'll just wait it out and see what happens. It's also quite cloudy, which doesn't make for the best filming, but let's see. Maybe we'll get a session in yet. We'll see.
Shit, man. Can you believe it? I'll show you what the forecast looks like. Watch.
Just says, haha, fuck you.
20 knots, 2.7 meter waves at 14 seconds. I'm gonna do a nap.
Hello.
Doing a vlog. Vlogging. Can I be in your vlog? These guys, when they fine you, it's like a criminal offense. Law enforcement, it's like a slap on the wrist. But
How about if we go to the boat ramp and we buy a little dinghy, like a little fucking blow up boat?
Yeah.
And then we use, like, we make holes in the
You just
just walk.
Explorer 100, jump on, put your feet in.
like the Flintstones mobile.
Yeah.
Alright dude, wow.
Thanks,
It was
dude.
fun. So after all that stressing and driving around trying to find a way to kite, I'm gonna get a little session in with Luke, and I have to like animate the whole way that I get onto the water. How about I like maybe throw it up and catch it when I'm in the water? Ready? my first downwinder in Cape Town. I've never done that before.
And yours?
It was epic. Phew. Send it.
Send it! Oh, right. You're supposed to get back in.